Is legal separation the same as a divorce? My name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public. So please subscribe to our channel. One of the things we're going to tackle in this discussion is what's the difference between legal separation and the divorce? Aren't they the same? The resounding answer is no, they're not the same. They're not the same at all. You see, a divorce, for all intents and purposes, concludes the matter, resolves the marriage, and really means that once the judgment of divorce is entered, the parties, for example, are free to marry other people. And they don't have to worry about the fact that they were married before. They don't have to worry about being charged with bigamy. Why? Because they have the judgment of divorce that dissolves the objects of matrimony. In a legal separation, which some people do for reasons that we'll talk about in a minute, the property is divided. All the issues of a divorce are resolved. It could even include resolving custody, parenting time, and support, but the objects of matrimony are not destroyed. They remain. The parties are still technically married, which means if you get a legal separation, or what lawyers call a judgment of separate maintenance, if you ever want to remarry, you got to get a divorce. A motion would have to be filed to convert the legal separation into a divorce. Court will conduct a hearing. The court will do it for you. But until such time as the court does that, you are still married. Now, why on earth would somebody do that? Go through custody, parenting time, support, property division, asset and debt allocation. Why do that and still be married? There's a couple of answers that come to mind. Number one, it's something that we talked about in other videos. Could be that you're a very religious person and the church frowns upon divorce. So in order to stay in the good graces of the church, you don't want to get a divorce, but you do want to resolve all the other issues. So the court will, the church will look less askance at a separation. Whereas a divorce, they may not favor that. So as part of a function of your religion, you may go that way instead of the other way. That's one reason. Another reason why we used to see people go for legal separation have to do with insurance. Insurance companies, while you're insured, while you're married, they may look at you as being an insured and allow your spouse to be on your insurance. Once you divorce, that's no longer a spouse. Therefore, they can't maintain the insurance. Some policies, however, said that if you are separated but not divorced, you can continue the insurance. That's a reason why people used to get legal separation. Truth of the matter is now a lot of the insurance carriers have become wise to this, and they have changed language to say if you are divorced or in a legal separation, you can't, the coverage just continues. So while that used to be a reason, it's less and less of a reason now. But those are amongst the reasons why people might go the legal separation route rather than a divorce route. And yes, they are two completely separate things. If you have any questions about that, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.